Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this came from AliExpress. It's the first one I bought, and you can tell because it was kicked across the floor. This is the first AliExpress I have bought since they announced the tariffs. I was not charged extra. I asked Darren. He double-checked it. The mailman brought it, put it in our mailbox, no extra charges. Now, we did pay a little more. You know, they have like 36 cents item or whatever. These are really cute. These were in my cart from before, and I just added them to this order when I got them. These are for Smart Dolls. You can put these on with or without the strap. I love them. They're very inexpensive, and I think they're very pretty. Let's see what else we did get. I'm going to be careful opening these. You know, I always say I'm going to be easy, and you can tell them, oh, I'm so heavy-handed.
But if you order from AliExpress and gets charged,
we're
not responsible.
No, we have no idea. Oh, I'm so glad to have these. These have gone up quite a bit. These are earrings. My dolls absolutely love them. And I needed some, so I bought one. Actually, I had two in the cart. I wanted to see what would happen with the tariffs, so I only ordered two. I also used these in the goodie box of the upcoming Winterfest. Okay, these are a little bigger, and I'm okay with that. What?
A lot bigger.
Well, yeah, they are. I mean, these are real cute for like the smaller dolls, but these are great for like some of the Smart Dolls, depending on the outfits, or AG. You know, Amaya Rain, these are great for the 24-inch Amaya Rain, or even the smaller ones, depending on what they're dressed in. I'm really happy to have those, and I will be ordering the ones for 2027, because I know what the theme is going to be. Oh, this is for, I bet you can guess. Guess in the comments what you think this hair is for, an upcoming collab. All right, one more package.
Let me guess a doll.
Actually, I was going to do your hair.
Oh!
You and Rennie.
Oh, that would be cute.
You and Rennie.
Yeah.
Maybe Katie, too. This kind of aggravated me. Watch AliExpress. When I was ordering, and then I'd put it in the cart, you know, it'd be in my lineup, and I'd put it in the cart, the price would go up, and or the shipping would go up, and I'd take it back out. This one really made me mad. I mean, this is cute and well worth the money. This was only a couple bucks. Oh, here it is. Little mittens. This is for an 18-inch doll. I'm wondering if this will fit Amaya Rain, is what I'm hoping. My 24-inch Amaya Rain. Isn't that cute? And it was like, now I know the hat won't fit Amaya because she has a bigger head, but I also have a lot of 18-inch dolls. What I started to say is, this was like $3 and something. Very inexpensive. But the one I picked out had long sleeves. It went in the cart that way, but when it went to the order, it changed, which really made me mad. And I might address that, but you can't do anything about it because in the cart, it was changed. So watch yourself. Watch every item just like Walmart that you put in the cart, know what it costs, and do your math before you hit buy. Okay, I also got some other things in the mail from the eBay Fairy. I am having so much fun with the AG, and particularly the miniature AG. I might have bought more. I'm going to have to set up my collection and show that little shelf you made. So cute. For my miniature and McDonald's restaurant American Girl dolls. I have quite a few. Actually, I have more than I thought I did. No shoes, and I knew it. Oh, her hair's in better. Oh, gosh, she's in way better shape than. Wow, she's in. That's her original hairdo. I'm just going to give that a little comb out. Her little dress is there. Darren has been making shoes for these dolls, much like his fly shoes. Boy, that's Wow. Once again, better than expected. These AG dolls are made for kids. And so if you're patient with their hair when you buy them used, pre-loved, you can comb that back out and it will look pretty good. You can also, on the bigger dolls, you can buy new wigs. I bought new wigs. Now I'm gonna have to buy a doll to put them in. But, they clean up so fun, and both sizes, the 6-inch and the 18-inch, are really fun to sew for. Really fun. Oh, that's a nice box for a guinea pig, isn't it? I think she will love that, and I'm getting ready to clean her cage, so she will get that. She'll play in it, she'll sleep in it, she'll turn it upside down. She'll have a good time with that. I'm getting ready to make toys for my birds and rabbits. Oh, wow. I bought this set for this doll. I actually have these two. I knew she only had one shoe, but look, the boots have spats. I couldn't pass this up. It did not cost that much. I think well, you know me, I made an offer. Not worried about that shoe. Like I said, Darren is making some for these dolls now. I should have had a pair in there. Look at that hair, though. All I'm going to do is comb that, put some new shoes on her, and she's going to slide right into the collection. This one's going to get her hair combed. She might get a bit more. We'll see once we take her apart. Sorry to say Rebecca. It is Rebecca, isn't it? Or is that Samantha? Samantha, it looks like Rebecca's hair. You tell me, Rebecca or Samantha? It almost looks like Rebecca in Samantha's clothes, but I'm not sure because I have other Samanthas and their hair's different. But this is, I believe, Samantha's outfit, and I'm thrilled to have it. So 4 more for that collection. I also wanted to take a minute and show you what Darren's latest thing is. This is a Wellie wisher. Cute little dolls. She has not been cleaned up. She was down here for her shoe size. Darren has made this pattern. Darren designed first for the AliExpress Blythe dolls. Then he did registered trademark shoes. Then from there he just started doing all kinds. He designed this shoe. The Makey shoe, he's revamping to be this type because the ones on Thingiverse are, they have bunny ears and a face. Okay, that's cute, but not for every pair. So he is revamping this pattern again for the Makey doll. See how cute that is? They go on over the little toe first and they snap. I love that. Won't these be cute for spring and St. Patrick's Day? This color filament was on the machine. I said, hey, would you make a pair of Wellie washer shoes? Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.